welcome to my channel. I'm Ken. Guess what? Today is Wednesday, right? Yeah. So anyway, we got a big weekend coming up here at Mokan. We got a 2-day race. We'll be up there Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We'll probably be leaving here about noon, because they already said they're going to get a lot of rain up there Thursday. They don't want no early parking Friday, so they said no early parking until 2. So we are probably going to leave here probably about noon, about 11:30, probably about 11:30, so we can go ahead and get on up there, get in line at least, and get in the gate and get a decent spot. With 2 days of racing up there, like I said, we have 2 days racing up in Mokan. I will be entering in Super Pro and no E, or no E. On Saturday, definitely. Sunday, I'm on the channel on that, probably just going to do no E only Sunday. Friday, there's nothing going on but just the fast cars and stuff like that. So, but we're going to have to get up there early anyway to get a decent spot. So, what we're going to do today, we're going to go ahead and get this car finally loaded up into the trailer and start getting ready for the weekend. Like I said, we're going to get out here fairly mid-late morning to get up there. So anyway, so with that, let's get things cleaned up, get this thing in here, and get ready to have a nice 2-day racing weekend coming up. Getting a plan for this weekend. Good buddy John. Well, got it all loaded up. Man, is it muggy out here. I'll tell you what. At least it's somewhat, you see the sky up there, a lot of clouds, the sun's popping in and out. That's the most it has done in a long time. So, you go out and get some things for the truck, get it all cleaned up. Even if it does rain, it still needs to be cleaned up. It's dirty. I was down in Oklahoma City last weekend, and boy, it got dirty. Rained almost all the time. So anyway, going to try to get it cleaned up, get it parked up here, so it'll be nice and clean to get dirty again. So anyway, let's get to it and keep this day going along, and before you know it, Friday's going to be here and we're going to be on down the road. So anyway, here we go. Well, this is Thursday. The weatherman said storms in the area. Yeah, I got worse. Well, man, guess you've seen some of the videos I took of it raining outside. It is pouring. So, we got a buttload of rain. So, excuse me. Luckily, we had the truck here in the shop, so it stayed nice and clean. In fact, I spent the next hour and a half or so actually cleaning the truck up. Why I did that, I'm not sure, other than tomorrow morning, and when we get ready to go out down the road, the whole road's going to be puddle ridden with rainwater, so it's going to have a ton of water on it. Plus in the morning I have to go get some cash and I have to get this thing filled up with some diesel. So anyway, at least it's clean to get dirty again. I guess that's one way to look at it. So anyway, tomorrow morning we're gonna get up, get ready, head out of here to Mokan. Gonna leave here around 11 o'clock. So anyway, can't wait to get up there and wow. Can't wait to get up there and do some racing this weekend. So weekend still looks great, but they're getting a lot of rain tonight, and they told us not to get in there too early tomorrow because they're gonna be pumping water out from some parts of the pit that's up there. Anyway, with that, until tomorrow morning. Okay, what a morning. Got the car all loaded up, looked underneath the front of it, and it had methanol. This was Friday, by the way. We had methanol coming out of the tank. What goes in the bottom of the tank? So right now we're going to be heading up to Mokan. We're going to fix it up there. I think we got all the parts that we needed for it. So anyway, when we get up there, I'll show you exactly what went wrong and why and all that good stuff. Why on this day, who knows? But anyway, let's get on down the road and get our favorite stop for a lunch stop at Sonic. So here we go. That's right, we stopped at Sonic. This time it's not breakfast of champions, it's lunch of champions. So anyway, oh, and something else, I got all the way up here to Sonic. Guess what? I forgot my phone. So guess what we're gonna have to do? Drive back the other way and go get it. So this trip is a challenge for sure. So you get on down the road. Yay, we finally made it. 2 hours. Yep, took 2 hours to get here. And now we're getting in line to go pay for the weekend. Okay, I'm going to show you what went wrong. Down here we have a bulkhead fitting that fits there, and this is where it was leaking at. So we had to take the whole tank apart, all that good stuff. And what we did, we're making new washers for these. The other one's actually cracked, so I'll check on the progress, see how it's coming. Okay, what we did, we punched a hole in a piece of plastic we had at the house, and then what we're attempting to do is use these as the gaskets that goes in between the two. Oops, sorry. Okay, so that will fit in the tank, and this is the nut, of course, to go inside the tank. So so anyway, we might go ahead and put some RTV on here, some gasket makers, just make sure everything's good and sealed. We're not going to do a test and tune tonight, so I think we'll just go ahead and seal it up really good, tighten it down good, get everything ready to go, keep the fuel out of it, so that RTV can seal up pretty good. And then we'll add fuel in the morning and see how it goes. Hopefully she does not leak. So anyway, so let's go ahead and get this on the car and see how it goes. was awesome. That's a wrap for Friday night. A little heat right there. Yeah, should have brought my hot dogs on that one, but I didn't. Oh well.
Alright,
until tomorrow, Saturday. But if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Sure do appreciate it. Until tomorrow.